Hi guys, welcome to Florence. Okay, so we just checked into our Airbnb. First of all, it is beautiful, so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. But yeah, like traveling is hectic, so I look a mess. I'm gonna shower, get ready, and all that stuff. But I really want to show you our Airbnb because it is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna flip you guys over. Okay, so this is what you see when you walk in. Super cute. They decorated it so nice. They have like this little window over here, little nook, and then over here is like the kitchen. So cute. Little table, more decor. So cute. And then over here is like the TV. Nice little area here, and there's Steve on the couch already, and the bed area. So nice. Oh, and they have that cute little mirror up there. And over here you walk in, and it's like a little powder section where you could like do your makeup and stuff with the little stool, which I like. And then the bathroom, cute little shower, and the sink, and me, a little window, the bathroom. So yeah, that's like all of it. It's super cute. It's small but big, and it's just perfect for us. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready, shower, change, and get ready to explore Florence. All right guys, I'll see you later. Hi guys, so made it to Florence. It was like such a crazy travel trip, like I said. Now we're just walking at pizza. We are, what street is this? We are on, I don't know what street, but it is the beautiful street that like all the shopping is at. So like Fendi, Gucci, Mont Blanc, all the cute ones. So, sorry, the streets are kind of small. We can walk on the street. So, just walk by Prada. You know, they're huge. But yeah, we're gonna walk and get pizza, and we're gonna show you what we get. But it is beautiful. It's like 80 something degrees. So I'm wearing like this cute little top. It's actually a scarf that I got from Amazon. And yeah, so we're just enjoying today, and I'm gonna take you guys around to see everything. So I'm gonna flip you over. Look how cute. Oh, two ones, of course. Burberry. Let's go say thank you. How cute. Love it. Orange. Hi guys, so we just finished eating our pizza and we are walking through the streets of Florence. It is so beautiful and amazing. We just passed the Uffizi, which was so cool. So yeah, we're just gonna keep walking. The night is young. What time is it actually?
8.
Huh?
8.
Oh, it's 8. So yeah, we still have like the whole night ahead of us. We are gonna go out today because it's Florence and it's just so nice out. It's like 80 something degrees. So we're gonna do that, and yeah, I'm gonna try to take some more video to show you guys the beautiful history that's in Florence.
It goes like this, the fall from quick, the minor fall, and the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
Hi guys, so it's the next day and I just got ready, did my hair, did my makeup, put on my cute little outfit, and we are getting ready to go to breakfast. We found this cute little local cafe near us, so I'm gonna show you guys what we get once we get there. So yeah, let's go. little spot. So it is a little bit later. We went out, we had breakfast, and then we walked around, and we got, oh, me got my first designer purchase, which I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you guys. So here's the bag. Okay, so there it is. I'm just gonna flip you guys over and unbox it for you. Okay guys, so here is the bag. So I'm just gonna take it out. I'm just gonna take this out actually. Okay. The big box. This aside. Super cute. Love the box. Massive. And then it comes with a duster. And this is my baby. Isn't she gorgeous? Oh my god, I love it. That's what she looks on. I love it so much. She's so cute. I love this one because it's like the classic print, and then it has the subtle pink, which I absolutely love because pink is my favorite color, if you didn't know. So yeah, I'm super excited. I feel like it's very versatile for every day. This also becomes like a long strap, so if I wanted to, I could make it, I just have to enjoy it, but if I wanted to, I can make it crossbody. But yeah, super, super cute. Absolutely loving this baby, and I'm so happy that I purchased it. So yeah. Hi guys, so we just stopped. We were walking around. We stopped and looked at the beautiful church behind us. It is so beautiful. There's a lot of walking to do, and it's very hot, so we need to take a break. So we're just sitting, relaxing, catching our breath for a little bit, and then we are gonna keep walking and exploring Florence. But yeah, taking it all in. Now look at the view. I don't like.
That means not a day without you, my friend. And it hurts me to look to the mirror and myself. And it hurts even more to have to be with somebody else. Turning into yesterday. Once again, the rising sun is broken up. You just
allora mi cagano.
It really doesn't do it justice. Okay, so literally cried. Did you?
No.
I did. It was beautiful. I'm gonna flip you guys over. Look at it. Stunning. Love. Literally cried. Obsessed. Okay guys, we just saw the sunset. It was gorge. A lot of feels, a lot of emotions from me, of course, because you know Steve is a robot and doesn't cry. But I sure did. It was beautiful and I'm so happy to be back. I've been here before 5 years ago and I'm so happy to be back again, and it was unreal. It was amazing. It's everything I expected and more. So now we are gonna go to dinner because I am a little tips and I'm starving. So see you at dinner. Hi guys, so this is the end of the Florence vlog. We are on our way to Naples. So yeah, just want to end the Florence vlog here. And if you want to see our trip to Naples, then see you in the next video. Bye!